G'day team, and welcome back to another offset account example. Now we're going to look at the second kind of offset account question you may come across, and that is when the offset comes in partway through the loan but then remains in the account until the end. So it is slightly different to the first example that we went through, but if we go through the questions, you'll see it kind of follows a nice little sort of systematic pattern. So I've got Julianne has obtained a $280,000 home loan. The interest rate for the loan is 4.5% per annum, compounded weekly over 30 years. So calculate Julianne's weekly repayment. So that means we're calculating the PMT. Now my time is 30 times by 52 for weeks. I've got 4.5%. My loan's $280,000. We want $0 remaining. And we've got 52 and 52 for my weeks. So that means my PMT comes out to be approximately negative 327.17 or 327.17 per week. So putting some context behind that PMT. So nice and simple basic question that we've done a whole heap. Now, part B, show the balance of Julianne's loan after the first 5 years is approximately $255,300. Now, this is also a question we've done quite a bit of. So I'm looking for my future value. I've got 5 years times 52. I've got 4.5%, still $280,000. I use my PMT that I just calculated, so 327.17. And I'm still looking at weeks, so 52 and 52. So that means my future value comes out to be 255,267.27, which is approximately $255.300 as required. Now, because we were able to calculate this is the value I should use in future questions. Only use this one if we can't actually show this, okay? So always use the one you calculate. So after 5 years, Julianne inherits $7,000 and puts this money into a new account, offset against the loan. How many weeks are now required to pay off the loan if she keeps the $7,000 in the offset until the loan is finished? So if I put $7,000 into an offset, interest is calculated on the difference between my PV after 5 years and my offset amount. So my new PV is 255,267.27 minus 7,000, which is 248,267.27. So this is the value we put in for our PV. So let's put that in now. So we've got 248,267.27. We want to find the years. Now we're looking at 4.5% still. That's a really ugly 5. We've still got the same PMT, so 327.17. I want $0 remaining, 52 and 52. We find N comes out to be 1235.91 or 1236, and we're looking at weeks. So it now takes a further 1236 weeks to pay off the remainder of the loan. So let's find the approximate amount of interest saved. So I've got that same formula, N1 take N2 times PMT minus the offset, because the offset is in the account at the end of the loan. Now, N1 is 30 times 52, which is 1560. Now, N2, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because N2, we actually had 5 years before the offset, plus the remaining time to pay off the loan. So I've actually got 5 times 52 plus the 1236 to finish it off. Now that there itself is 1496. So there's my N1 and my N2. Let's throw it into my formula here. So we've got 1560 minus 1496 times by 327.17 minus the $7,000 offset. And my person, Julianne, saves approximately $13,935.68. Okay, so we can see the slight difference there where my N2 is becoming a bit more complicated, but the working out to get to this point is just a lot of questions we've done before all meshed together. So hopefully that helps, and I'll see you for our final sort of type of offset question in the next video.